Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the list of repeat customers, just like the sample list here, using the data sets that we have, transaction for the month of January, and also transactions for the month of Feb. So there are many ways to do this, but I would like to solve this problem using the List.Intersect in the Power Query. So let's get this list of repeat customers using a different workbook. So I have my workbook here, same data. So let's load these two data sets in the Power Query. First is the January data. Select any of your data here and then go to Data tab from Table Range. OK. Let's make a quick edit here. First, rename it as Jan for reference, and then choose the customer code column. And then in the Transform tab, there is Convert to List. Choose that, and that's it. We've converted it into a list. Now make a connection, close and load to, only create connection, OK. Then let's do this again with the same process in the month of Feb. Data tab from table range, OK. And then rename it as Feb. And then again, choose the customer code column, go to Transform tab, convert to list, and that's it. Make a connection, Home tab, close and load to, only create connection, OK. And then let's create a blank query. Go to Data tab again, get data from other sources, blank query. And then here, we can call the list.intersect, and then open and close parentheses. We have to create list of lists, so curly bracket, open and close, and then call the first list Jan, comma, and then the next one is Feb, enter. That's it. That's the repeat customers here. Now we can remove the duplicates by applying List.Distinct in the formula bar. So List.Distinct, and then enter. That's it. We can also sort this list in the same formula bar, List.Sort, and then we can declare the order. Let's say it's order.ascending, and then close it, enter, and that's it. It's finished. That's the list of repeat customers. As you can see, we have applied just one step here. We can rename it now as list of repeat customers, and then we can load it into the spreadsheet. Go to the Home tab, and then close and load to, and let's use a table and the new worksheet. OK, and that's it. Now we can put the sheet here at the last sheets, and then let's quickly check it. For instance, let's check it. We have no customer A. So in January we have customer A. Let's say that in Feb customer A also bought product in the company, so customer A, and let's say it's 50, and then go back to the list of repeat customers sheet, and then data tab, and then refresh all. That's it. That's gonna be added on the list as part of repeat customers. And that's it. I'm finished here. I'm done. If you like this video, you can subscribe in my channel. Click the subscribe button and see you next time, and thanks.